Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning students, today Chandwani Anju welcome you back on our YouTube channel on the same topic, the second lesson Sound of Music, second part the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. So let's we go ahead. When Bismillah Khan was at the age of the 14 years, when he was 14 years old, Bismillah Khan accompanied his uncle to Allahabad for the conference. The conference was music conference. When the conference was completed, at the end of the conference, there was a ustad. His name was Khan, Fayyaz Khan. He came to him. Fayyaz Khan came to Bismillah Khan and patted his back and said, Ustad Fayyaz Khan, he came to him, he patted his back and said, work hard and you will make it. So, it means he is telling when if you will do practice, then you will make it and you will go ahead. After this, in 1938, he has written in 1938 for the Bismillah Khan, this was an outbreak for him. It was an outbreak for him. Why? Because with the opening of, he has written with the opening of the All India Radio in Lucknow, there was an outbreak for him. After this, he has written when he became when there was outbreak for him, he became famous as a Shehnai player on radio also. He became famous as a Shehnai player on radio also. Then he has written when India got freedom on 15 August 1947. At the time of the independence, 15 August 1947, he was the first Indian. Bismillah Khan was first Indian to greet the nation with Shehnai. So at this time, when he break out his rag, that is the kafi, where he played kafi. Kafi is a classical music. With this, there were many leaders who were present there. They became also impressed with him, and many leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, they were included in this. Then he has given many memorable performances. Bismillah Khan has given many memorable performances not only in India but in abroad also. So for abroad, this was a first trip, and his first trip was Afghanistan. Bismillah Khan's first trip, that was Afghanistan, and when he went there, and his king, and there was a king, and his name was Jahir Shah. He became so impressed with this master. So he gifted his priceless carpet and souvenirs. Souvenir means these are the types of things which is given in the memory of a person, place or things. So he gifted not only priceless carpet but in sovereign also. Then not only king, but there are many persons who became so impressive with him, and like Vikram Bhatt, here written Vijay Bhatt, sorry. So like Vijay Bhatt, he became so impressed after hearing this Shehnai, Bismillah Khan's Shehnai. So when he became impressed, he named his film, that is the Goonj Uthi Shehnai. After listening his music, he named his film as Goonj Uthi Shehnai. So there was a composition in this movie. There was a composition by Bismillah Khan for the Dil Ka Khilona Toot Gaya. So this song, Dil Ka Khilona Toot Gaya, this was composed by Bismillah Khan. So this is composition of Bismillah Khan, Dil Ka Khilona Toot Gaya. And after this movie, he worked not only the Goonj Uthi Shehnai, but also he worked in another movie, and that is the Vikram Srinath's Kannada venture. This is the Kannada venture, and its name was Sanadi Apana. Its name was Sanadi Apana. So we can say that he worked in 2 movies. After having worked in 2 movies, he became so popular, but he didn't like to work in this type of field. Why? Because of him. According to him, he thinks that it is the life of the artificial. It is the artificial life. Then awards and recognition for Bismillah Khan. He has written awards and recognition. These were coming in his life very fastly and speedily, and this way he became the first Indian. He was the first Indian. Firstly, before this year was written, he was the first Indian who greet the nation with a Shehnai. Second time, again he has written, he was the first Indian who was invited. He has written, who was invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln's Center Hall. He performed not only there, but also he worked World Exhibition in Montreal, in the Cannes, in the Cannes Art Festival, Osaka Trade Fair, and Auditorium in Tehran. After working in this, he has written, when he performed at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall, then he worked at World Exhibition in Montreal, in the Cannes Art Festival and Osaka Trade Fair. This way, after working in this totally, he became very internationally famous. He became internationally famous due to this auditorium in Tehran. There was an auditorium in Tehran. This was named after Bismillah Khan. This was named as the Tehran Mosque Ustad Bismillah Khan. This was named after Bismillah Khan. Which auditorium was named after Bismillah Khan? The name was, that is the Tehran Mosque Ustad Bismillah Khan. So now let's go ahead. So this way, after this, he got national awards. He got national awards like Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. So when he got international awards, then in 2001, now he has written in 2001, he got the highest civilian award. He has written highest civilian award, that is the Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna, in which year he got the civilian award? This is the Bharat Ratna, and that is in 2001. So when he got this award, when he got Bharat Ratna, he became so happy. With the happiness, he said, and at that time his eyes were glittering, and he said that he would like to say only these words. And what he said? He said, teach your children music. What he said? What did he say? He said that teach your children music, because this is our richest traditional. He said this is our richest traditional music. Even from West, they are coming on to learn this music, to learn our music. From West, they are coming to learn our music. Then he has written, in spite of having traveled all over the world, that we can say, we know that he had traveled all over the world, but whenever he remained foreign, whenever he went in abroad, he always remember his Banaras and Dhumran, where he played Gulli Danda. We can say he was very fond of Banaras and Dhumran, and one of his students in USA. Now he has written, one of his students that was in USA, he was requesting Bismillah Khan to play Shehnai in USA, in school of USA, and also he promised, the student also promised Bismillah Khan that they will recreate like you will think that you are playing Shehnai in Banaras and temples also. But after listening this word, Bismillah Khan said, are you able? He asked, are you able to transfer the Ganga river here? So while listening these words, we can say that how he was fond of his place, that is the Banaras and Dhumran. So this way he was saying that whenever he remained in Mumbai, he remember Banaras and the river Ganga, and whenever he remained in Banaras, he remember about Dhumran. So this way, in this paragraph, we can say the students that he because how he was very fond of Hindustan. So he liked Hindustan, and most of he wants to spend his time in Hindustan, and the place where he want to live, that is the Banras and Jumran. So at last he has written the life of Bismillah Khan. The life of Bismillah Khan. This is a perfect example. We can after listening this whole story, we can say this is a perfect example of our rich cultural heritage of India. We can say this is a perfect example of rich cultural heritage of India. And after having, as you know that he was a Muslim, after having a Muslim culture, then whenever he play every morning at the temple of that is at the Kashi Vishwanath temple, whenever he play every morning, so we can say that he is playing as a naturally. There is no any person who can play as a naturally. So students, here this lesson is complete, and at the end we can say that Bismillah Ustad Khan, he has written he passed away on 21st August 2006 at the age of 90 due to illness. Due to the illness at the age of the 19, on 21st August 2006 he passed away. On this day it was given a state funeral to him. State funeral was given to him, and on this day Government of India declared one day of national mourning. Thank you. And dear students, whatever I explained, so you have to write as a homework. You have to write a glossary, textual glossary in your classwork, and textual exercise you have to do in classworks. And so whatever number is given to you, send to the given number. Thank you.